While Ford has announced losses of $5 billion in their electric vehicle division and General Motors has once again postponed the launch of their $30,000 Equinox electric vehicle, Tesla has quietly pulled ahead with 6 major breakthroughs that make them a game-changer compared to the other giants. In this video, we are going to uncover exactly how Tesla's battery innovation changes everything you thought you knew about electric vehicle pricing, why traditional carmakers are scrambling in private meetings, and what this all means for your next car purchase. Smash that notification bell because you are about to find out why Tesla's Model 2 is not just competing with other cars, it is eliminating them entirely. Are you ready to become a subscriber to AMP Drive and witness the biggest shakeup in the automotive industry's history? How did Tesla's 4680 Cyber Cell battery completely crush every rival's business model in a single move? The Tesla 4680 cell manufacturing team in Texas hit a massive milestone at the end of the year 2024, becoming the producer with the lowest cost per kilowatt-hour for battery cells in the world. The consequences for the Model 2 are absolutely devastating for competitors. While you have been watching other carmakers battle with high battery expenses, Tesla has achieved what many industry experts claimed was impossible, producing a profitable electric vehicle for less than $25,000. Here is the shocking fact that will have Ford and General Motors executives losing sleep. Tesla has stated that the 4680 battery can potentially boost a vehicle's range by as much as 16%. They also claim this cell offers 5 times the energy capacity of the 2170 type battery. But the real weapon here is not just performance, it is the huge advantage in manufacturing cost that makes the Model 2 impossible to beat. Tesla says their process allows for 10 times less factory floor space and 10 times more production speed, leading to about a 30% cut in per kilowatt-hour costs for electrode manufacturing. Let me turn that into real-world numbers that will blow your mind. The current industry average for battery costs is $139 per kilowatt-hour. Tesla's 4680 Cyber cells now cost only $89 per kilowatt-hour to make. That is a $50 difference per kilowatt-hour, which multiplies across the entire battery pack. For the Model 2, with its 60 kilowatt-hour battery pack, Tesla spends $5,340 to produce it, compared to $8,340 for rivals still using traditional battery technology. This means Tesla starts with a $3,000 cost advantage before the battery is even put into the vehicle. When Tesla introduces the Model 2 at $25,000, they will still earn healthy profits, while Ford would be selling at a loss if they tried to match that price. If you think Tesla just stumbled into this battery achievement by chance, think again. The 4680 breakthrough was the result of years of calculated engineering strategy. But the battery is just the foundation. Tesla's next manufacturing plan will make every other car factory look like they are still building carriages with outdated tools. While traditional car companies are still piecing together thousands of components using century-old methods, Tesla is about to roll out what they call the Unboxed process, a totally new way of building cars that will cut production costs by 43% and assembly times by 67%. Here is how other companies do it and why it is holding them back. Ford's F-150 assembly line needs the vehicle to pass through 847 different stations, where workers attach 23,000 individual parts over 18.5 hours. The chassis, body, interior, and drivetrain are built separately, then combined in a complicated sequence that demands huge factories, large teams of workers, and massive quality control measures to keep defects in check. Tesla's Unboxed process turns this entire idea on its head. Rather than building a whole car in one long line, Tesla makes separate sections of the Model 2 in parallel, front, middle, and rear, each handled by specialized teams. These completed modules are then joined together by robotic systems in under 3.2 hours. The result is permanent, game-changing savings. Traditional lines require around 1,200 workers to make 450 vehicles a day. Tesla's Unboxed process makes about 850 Model 2s a day with only 340 workers. That is a 2.5 times productivity advantage, which means much lower labor costs, around 65% less than Ford. This allows Tesla to sell vehicles for thousands less while keeping higher profits. And here is the killer advantage: flexibility. If Ford wants to change their F-150 line to build the Lightning electric version, they must shut down the factory for 6 weeks, retrain 3,000 employees, and spend millions retooling. Tesla's Unboxed process can shift between Model 2 versions, or even entirely different vehicles, in under 90 minutes by swapping modular tooling. Tesla's manufacturing leap will hurt competitors badly, but their software strategy is what makes the Model 2 unbeatable even if others match the hardware. The full self-driving system transforms the Model 2 from something that loses value into something that can make money. Normally, the moment you buy a car, it starts losing value and costing you money through payments, insurance, upkeep, and fuel. The Model 2 changes this forever, making it an asset that pays you to own it. Here is how it works. Tesla's self-driving capability allows the Model 2 to join the Tesla network, an autonomous ride-sharing service where your car earns money when you are not using it. On average, Americans drive only about 1.2 hours each day, leaving their vehicles unused for more than 22 hours. Tesla network turns that idle time into income. When you are working, sleeping, or relaxing, your Model 2 can be out giving rides to paying passengers. Conservative estimates show owners making between $180 and $340 each month, depending on demand and location. In high-demand areas, early users have reported between $520 and $780 monthly. Now let us run the math. A Model 2 priced under $25,000 that earns $340 a month will make $20,400 over 5 years, almost paying for itself. Compare that to a $28,000 Honda Accord, which drops in value to $12,600 in that time and racks up over $22,000 in fuel expenses. The Tesla owner drives essentially for free over 5 years, while the Honda owner ends up spending more than $65,000 in total cost. Tesla's vision goes even further by making the Model 2 a key part of your household energy system. Instead of just selling you a car, they have built an entire energy network where the Model 2 can power your home, lower your electricity bills, and even make money selling energy back to the grid. The Model 2's 60 kilowatt-hour battery holds nearly 5 times the energy of a Tesla Powerwall, which itself costs over $11,000 to install. With bidirectional charging, your car can act as a mobile home battery, charging during cheap off-peak hours and powering your house during expensive peak hours, saving the average household up to $900 a year. In emergencies, it can even sell power back to the utility at premium rates, like during the Texas winter storm of 2021, when early adopters earned between $1,300 and $3,500 selling stored energy. Add in Tesla's solar roof and energy management software, and studies show households could cut energy bills by 73% while making nearly $5,000 a year in energy sales. Tesla's direct sales model adds another major financial edge. Traditional dealerships mark up vehicles thousands of dollars above manufacturer cost with hidden fees and high-pressure sales tactics. A Honda Accord costing Honda $23,100 to make ends up costing you over $32,000 after dealer markup and extras. Tesla skips the dealer entirely, manufacturing the Model 2 for about $18,700, adding their margin, and selling directly to you for under $25,000, no hidden costs. Finally, over-the-air software updates keep adding value to Tesla vehicles long after you buy them. Since 2020, Tesla has delivered dozens of updates that have improved range, acceleration, entertainment features, and charging speeds, worth thousands if sold as separate options. Traditional vehicles only lose value each year, but Tesla's constant improvements keep resale values high, with many holding more than 78% of their value after 5 years. So the choice is clear. Traditional cars cost more, lose value, and offer no extra income. The Tesla Model 2 saves you money, can earn you money, powers your home, and keeps improving over time. Do you think Tesla will dominate the future? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned with Amp Drive, because everything else just became an expensive antique.